Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming exactly which VR headset and firmware you have so you download the correct update. Once done, make a quick backup of your settings and saved content to cloud or to a PC. This prevents data loss if something fails. Make sure the headset is charged to at least 50% or plugged in, and connect it to your stable Wi-Fi or wired network now so downloads won't stall mid-install. You now open the headset settings or the vendor app and start the update download. This is where you verify file size and checksum if provided so you avoid corrupted installs. Once the file downloads, begin the install and carefully follow on-screen prompts. Grant permissions and accept reboots. Keep the device stationary and do not remove power or network. Interruptions can brick the device. If installation appears paused, wait a few minutes. You finish by rebooting the headset and immediately checking settings to confirm the new firmware version and any changelogs. Once updated, test core functions, tracking, controllers, audio, and display to ensure performance is normal. If something goes wrong, first retry the update from a fresh download. If that fails, perform a factory reset only after backing up again. As a last resort, gather logs and contact vendor support for guided recovery. This helps them diagnose hardware versus software faults.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.